Greetings, I am Marco and this is a tutorial on how to get into Google Ads with an expert mode account in order to get Keyword Planner without starting any new campaign. Google Keyword Planner is a useful tool for dropshippers who want to find their niche. I'm recording this video because I personally try to follow other tutorials here on YouTube, but it seems like that something changed on Google Ads website, so it's not so easy to find this tool. So first of all, I searched Google Ads Manager account. So I found this page. Don't worry, it's in Italian, and I'll post you the exact link to get there. So clicking here will show you this page, and clicking on this blue button and loading. So you put here your information, submit, you get to the Keyword Planner tool page with its buttons. So I hope you find this video useful. Feel free to share, subscribe for more updates, and comment for any doubt. Thank you and bye bye.